What's going on? It's Scott here, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to make a cheap, if not free, camera mount. So, hopefully, you have a selfie stick laying around like this. If not, you can pick them up at your local thrift store, probably for pretty cheap. Because I got this one for $1.99 at Goodwill. And all I did is there is a screw on this side, and you just unscrew it. So, just unscrew this. And the whole thing comes out, and there's a nut and a little like plastic cover on this side, and this whole thing comes out. And then if you have a reflector on your bike or have one laying around, you just take the front of the reflector off and then face it upwards, and then take a brake pad spacer and then shove it in between these two pieces and then screw it tight, and then that gives you the right distance, and you just screw on your camera, and that's how you make a cheap, if not free, camera mount if you have all these items laying around. And I hope this helped.